Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I am taking part in the International Christmas Wreath Challenge hosted by 6 wonderful ladies. They are Kiki from Kiki DIYs, Michelle from Shell's Glam Home, Jani and Diane from Deco Easy, Pat from Style with Pat, Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun, and Mom from Momda's Life Handmade. I will link the playlist in the description box. Please be sure to check out all the lovely entries. Now, let's get started. For my entry, I have chosen this ready-made tinsel wreath, and I'm going to show you how you don't need a lot of things to make a pretty wreath. So, let's get started. This is the base, and I'm going to use these 2 bottle brush trees and this gold ranger ornament. This is in gold. And that's it. Your simple but pretty DIY wreath is ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to watch the other videos in the playlist. Thank you ladies for this wonderful challenge. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.